Hello everyone! In today's video, I am going to paint breakfast on a coaster wood. I got these woods a few weeks ago from an online store. So today, I will only use these 6 colors. And the painting that I'm going to use is Talens Gouache art creation. I have made a review about this gouache a few months ago, and I will link the review down below. The first painting that I'm going to make is an egg. I personally really like to eat eggs in the morning with rice, and usually I also mix my eggs with cheese. While I was editing the video, I think that it would be great if I put some commentaries, because I actually struggled a lot just to paint this. I haven't really mastered using gouache yet, and personally I feel that gouache is not my personal favorite kind of tools, but I always want to try. By the way, I am very sorry for the video quality if you notice the changes in the middle, because not only I use natural lights, and every time it gets cloudy, the color will change, and every time it gets sunny, the color will be too bright. I realized this later and I closed my curtains. However, after that, my DSLR battery went out, so I used my other camera, but the quality, I didn't check it beforehand, but the white balance was very different and the quality was also very different. So I tried my best to edit this as aesthetically pleasing as much as I could.
To run free, but I'll still make my plans. I'll change my routine if you hold my hand. 'Cause all my shades of blue go away when I'm with you. Put a golden frame around my heart, 'cause you make.
In here, you can also see that I am using a crayon. This is not a normal crayon, it's a water-soluble crayon. It's from a brand called Caran, and this one is the Neocolor II Watersoluble. Actually, the interesting about these crayons, I got it like when I was in elementary school. My mom gave it to me because I really liked to join drawing and coloring competitions back when I was small. So these crayons may be already like 15-year-old. Caran actually just opened a flagship store in Seoul, South Korea around like March last year.
Stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you
As you can tell, I am actually struggling with this part. I tried to put more orange on it because I think that the egg yolk must be like rich and vibrant, so I put orange on it, but it didn't turn out the way I want it to be.
as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop.
Personally, I really like the result of this egg. It's not the best. I think that I can do better if I practice more with gouache, but it's okay. I can live with it. So for the next part, I'm going to paint pancakes. I love pancakes. I really like it. However, it turns out to be that painting the pancakes is harder than painting the eggs. I also realized that oftentimes when I paint the gouache and then I work on it over it again and again, the first layer will come off, so it will become more transparent and it didn't become as opaque as I wanted it to be. But this is probably not because it was a gouache, but the gouache quality itself.
Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming and thank you for trying to do anything to make me smile.
When eating pancakes, we should never forget the butter. I actually also want to paint the maple syrup on it, but it already turns out very hard, so I skipped the maple. Probably next time I will paint the maple syrup too. Thank you so much for watching this painting process. If you guys have any ideas or any questions, or what do you want me to paint next time, you can just comment down below, or you can comment in my Instagram or in my Twitter. I will be really happy to see your comments. So please do send me your thoughts. Don't forget to press like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I hope to see you guys in the near future. Bye bye.